Welcome to Mumbo Jumbo Kids channel. Mo and Joe are walking through a market. Look at all these things, Mo. Have you ever seen things like these? Seen? I didn't even imagine that such things could be. Who are these people? They are merchants from different countries of the world. Look at that lamp, Joe. Yes, but I want to see this red hood and cape first. Do you want to put it on, Mo? Sure, let me try it. Oh no, what have you children done? Take it off now. What's happening to me? I can't get it off. Mo, you are vanishing. What happened? Where are we? You wore the hood. It belonged to Little Red Riding Hood, and we've come back to her time. Little Red Riding Hood. What are you talking about? Look inside the house. The girl is Little Red Riding Hood. She lived by this forest. Her mother made her the red hood. She loved it so much that she always wore it. Hence, she's called Little Red Riding Hood. Here's a basket of fresh bread that I have baked for Grandma. I want you to take it for her. Okay, Mother. But be careful on the way. Don't talk to any strangers. Yes, Mother. Little girl, where are you going? Oh, hello, Mr. Wolf. I am going to my grandma's. She lives at the end of the cobbled path. That's very nice. I wish you a good time. Thanks. It is my lucky day. Not only is the little girl alone, she has also told me where her grandma stays. I will eat them both today. I know another route to her house. I will get there before the little girl does. Oh no, Little Red Riding Hood forgot her mother's instructions. She told a stranger everything. Let's go to the grandma's house and warn her. What's wrong? Why can't I touch anything?
This is not our time. We have come into the past. We cannot change anything here. We can only watch.
Hide, Mo. I can see the wolf returning. Hello, Grandma.
Hello, child. How are you?
My, Grandma. What's happened to your ears? Why are your ears so big?
Oh, just to be able to hear you clearly, my child.
My, Grandma. What big eyes you have.
Oh, just to be able to see you better, my child.
My, Grandma. What a big nose you have.
Oh, just to be able to smell you better, my child.
My, Grandma. What big teeth you have.
Oh, just to be able to eat you better.
Help! 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 Help!
Don't worry, I will take you home.
Thank God, the woodcutter reached on time. Yes, but how do we go back to our time? Red Riding Hood has gone home now. We are back again.
Yes, now can I please have the red hood back?
Yes, absolutely. Here, please take it.
I think it is time for us to go now. Bye-bye.
The Fox and the Seven Little Lambs. Mo and Joe are on their way to a farm on a school trip. Once they get there, the teacher tells them to collect to hear instructions. Children, I want you to have a fun day at the farm today. But remember, real fun happens only when you follow the rules and instructions. Mo and Joe are exploring the farm by themselves. They come across a sheep pen. Look at all the sheep in there, Mo. Yes, they are so beautiful. Look at their water trough. I don't see a water pipe anywhere here. Who keeps refilling the water for them? You are right, Joe. I have been thinking the same thing since we came here. So many sheep are drinking water, but the water in the trough is not going down. Let's go closer and check. Okay. There's nothing here. Look at that, Joe. It looks like a trapdoor. That's awesome. Let's go check it out. Yes, let's go. They lift the door and find a flight of stairs going down. They start walking the stairs. It is a dark place. They see a small source of light far down. I think there is a room at the bottom of the stairs. I can see a small light there. They come to the bottom of the stairs. There's a small door at the end of the room from where the light is coming. Let's go through that door. They emerge in another town where there are talking animals instead of humans. Oh no, I have no idea where we have come. Let's hide before we get into trouble. They see a sheep leaving her house, saying something to her lambs. Look there, the mother is leaving the house. Only children are in there. We can go and hide there. They can hear the mother talking to her children. I will be back in some time. I will knock thrice on the door. Open the door only if it is I. Beware of the mean wolf. Yes, Mama, don't worry. I will keep my brothers safe. There is a wolf in this area. Let's go elsewhere. Yes, I agree. Let's go. As they are leaving, they see the wolf approach the house. Hide more. Wolf knocks on the door. Who is it? The wolf doesn't reply but presses his ears against the door to listen. Let's open the door and see. No, Mama had said we should open the door only for her. Maybe it's Mama. No, I remember. She said she would knock thrice. The wolf overhears this conversation. He knocks again, thrice this time. Look, 3 knocks there. Mama must have returned. Yes, brother, please open the door. Our youngest brother is very sad without Mama. Let me make sure it is Mama. He looks under the door and sees the wolf's legs. Stay away from the door, everyone. It's not Mama. It is the wolf. Look at his feet. All lambs grasp. What shall we do now? Nothing. We just wait for him to go away. The wolf gets very angry. He knocks thrice again. Who is it? It is I. My children, open the door for me. Checks under the door. It is the wolf's feet again. It's the wolf again. We can't open the door yet. The wolf lifts his leg to kick the door and then realizes what had been happening. He quickly runs and gets some white powder for his feet. He coats them with this powder. Then he knocks again on the door. Who is it? It is I, my children. Checks under the door and sees white feet like his mama's. It's Mama! She has come back! He opens the door. As soon as he does that, the wolf bounces into the house and starts eating them. He eats all of them, except the youngest one, who went and hid in the big grandfather clock. Mo and Joe watch this in despair. What a wonderful feast! This deserves a good nap on the sofa. He goes and sleeps. The sheep returns and sees her house wrecked, children missing. Oh no! Where are my children? Mama, I'm here! Mama, look in the clock! Mama, you are home! The horrible wolf tricked us! Where are your brothers? In the wolf's tummy. Okay, I have an idea, but we have to be very quiet. Yes, Mama. The sheep goes and gets a knife from the kitchen. Oh! You will never eat any more children. Then she cuts open the wolf's stomach and pulls out her children one by one. Sorry, Mama. I got all my brothers in trouble. Don't worry, my child. You are all safe now. Wow, what a lucky save. Yes, so lucky. Is that our bus? Yes, I think we should head back now. Three little pigs. Joe and Mo are going home in the bus. Mo and Joe are towards the back near the exit. Hey Mo, we should make our way to the front. All our friends are there. I don't want to get separated from them. Relax, Joe. It's too crowded for us to go to the front. We'll get off when our stop comes. But how will we know if it's our stop?
I know our stop. I'll keep an eye. Okay, if you're sure, then we'll stay here.
Some stops pass. When the next one comes, the door opens.
This is it, Joe. Let's go. We'll meet our friends once we get down. Okay.
They get down and wait for their friends to get down from the front exit of the bus. No one comes. The door shuts and bus leaves. Both children panic and run after the bus.
Hey, stop! Our friends are still in there. Wait, you can't leave.
Bus leaves anyway. They stop running and catch their breath.
Our friends didn't get down. Did they forget to get down? I don't know, but we should go home and tell our parents about it. We aren't allowed to walk home alone, Mo. Well, are we allowed to stand at the bus stop alone? No, you are right. Let's go.
Turns around to face the street. The street is empty. There is only one single house.
Where are we?
Nervously looking at the street.
I don't know. Mo, we got off at the wrong stop. This doesn't lead home. That's why our friends didn't get down. I'm sorry, Joe. Don't be upset. Come, we'll go to that house and ask for help.
They go to the only house on the street. As they near it, the door opens. Mo and Joe hide. 3 little pigs come out of the door. Their parents are bidding them goodbye.
Goodbye, my children.
We will look forward to coming to your houses soon.
Bye, Mama, Papa. I will call you over the soonest. No, I will. We will make you proud, Mama, Papa.
I love you, my babies. The 3 little pigs go off. Parents go inside and close the door. Mo rushes to ring the bell, but Joe holds her back. Wait, Mo, look. He points to the wolf who is sneaking around the house on the other side. Finally, the little pigs have left their home, with no Mama and Papa Pig to protect them. I will eat them. He walks off.
Oh no, we should go. Warn the pigs. Let's go.
It's getting dark, Mo. Let's sleep here for the night. We'll go in the morning.
Okay.
They sleep. Next morning, Mo and Joe get up.
Let's go, Joe.
They go looking for the little pigs. They reach the first pig's house. All the 3 pigs are there. They are standing next to a straw house.
Welcome, brother. See my house. It's ready. I will get Mother here today itself. That's a beautiful house, brother, but mine is even more beautiful. It is made up of wood and will be ready by the afternoon. Yes, brother. Your house is lovely.
What about your house, little brother?
My house isn't this pretty. I'm making it of stones and bricks. It will be ready by evening.
A house of bricks and stones? What's wrong with you, brother?
Oh well, I must get going. I want my house ready by the afternoon. Oh, come out, little pig, or I will huff and puff and blow your house down. Final warning, little pig. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. Where are you, little pig? Let's get out of here, Joe.
Yes, let's go after the pig.
Oh, so you are in there. Come out, little pigs, or I will huff and puff and blow your house down.
Show the pig scared inside the house.
Okay, I have no patience for your games.
He takes a big breath and blows on the house. Nothing happens. He takes another big breath and blows. The house shakes.
Come out, I said. I haven't eaten anything all day. Once I catch you, I will eat all three of you for my dinner. So come out, little pigs, or I will huff and puff and blow your house down.
Two older pigs are scared, but the youngest pig is calm. Joe and Mo watch the scene from behind the bushes.
You think you are safe in there? I will blow this house down too, like I blew down the other two houses. Brother, thank you. Your hard work paid off and saved our lives. Yes, forgive us. We made fun of you.
Oh, don't worry about it, brothers. The important thing is that we all are safe. Come, we'll go and get Mama and Papa too. We can all happily live here together.
This is our chance. We should go ask for help now.
Yes, let's go.
Hey Mo, isn't that the bus home? Yes, that's the one. Come on, let's go. We can catch it and get home. We made it, Joe. We'll be fine now. We'll make sure we get off at the right stop this time. Oh no, you won't. This time we are going to the front and asking the driver to help us. Come on.
Mo and Joe are in school. They see one of the students waiting outside the headmaster's office.
I think he is in trouble. Yes, I heard he was caught lying again. What do you mean, again? This is the third time he was caught. If he doesn't stop, he'll become the boy who cried wolf.
The boy who cried wolf. Once upon a time, a young shepherd boy got bored of taking care of his sheep. He decided to have some fun while his sheep grazed.
Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!
Hearing his calls, the villagers rushed to help him. When they got there, everything was peaceful.
Ha ha ha! Fooled you! Look at you all! There's no wolf!
The villagers were angry at the foolishness of the boy, but ignored it, thinking that he was just a kid. The next day, when the boy was out with his sheep, he decided to trouble the villagers again.
It's the wolf! Help! Somebody help me!
The kind-hearted villagers rushed to help him again. But once again, all was quiet and peaceful.
I can't believe it! You all are so foolish! You fell for it again! There's no wolf!
Once again, the villagers forgave him and went back to their work. The next day, the boy decided to try their patience again.
Help! Wolf! Wolf! Help!
The villagers once again ran to help the boy.
It is so easy to fool you all. There is no wolf!
The villagers were very angry with the boy's behavior, and they returned to their homes again. The next day, the boy was watching his sheep graze. He was just wondering if he should cry wolf again. Just then, a wolf really came by. The boy was very scared.
Help me! Somebody please help! It's the wolf! He'll eat my sheep! Help!
But the villagers were really annoyed with the way the boy had been behaving.
Not again! This time I'm not falling for his trick.
Let's just ignore him. And so, none of the villagers went to help the boy, even though he kept calling for help. Unafraid and unrestricted, the wolf went on to kill every single sheep in the boy's herd till none was left. Ouch! That sounds harsh. Well, that's what you get when you lie so much. People stop believing you. Remind me never to lie again. Again? What do you mean again? Hi, I am Mo. Hi, I am Joe. For more videos, subscribe to us.